Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now, here's something important you need to know before we begin. On the current Zoom mobile app for Android, there may not be a built-in dark mode or theme option inside Zoom's own settings, so instead of adjusting anything within the Zoom app itself, we'll be using your phone's system dark theme to make Zoom appear dark. This works because many apps, including Zoom, automatically adapt to your phone's overall theme settings. First, you'll want to tap on Settings on your Android phone. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your device's appearance and functionality. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Display and Touch. This section controls how your screen looks and behaves, including brightness, sleep settings, and theme options. Now, you'll see a section labeled Appearance. Under this section, you'll find an option called Dark Theme. This is the setting that will change your phone's entire interface to a darker color scheme, and it will also affect how apps like Zoom display on your device. Next, tap the toggle switch right beside Dark Theme to enable it. Once you activate this, your phone's interface will immediately switch to a darker appearance, and any apps that support system-wide theming will also adapt to this change. Now that you've enabled the dark theme on your phone, it's time to launch the Zoom app to see if it works. Open Zoom and check if the interface has switched to a dark mode. If Zoom supports your system's theme settings, you should now see a darker background and lighter text throughout the app, which is easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on your Zoom mobile app by using your Android phone's system dark theme. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.